Hello, welcome to 8.2AB1 Combine like terms and solve two-steppers. Let's get going here. We've got some two-step equations. We're not going to have to distribute on this page. We're just going to have to combine. So we'll start by combining our x's here. And we've got a negative 8 and a positive 12. So we can rewrite this as 4x. And, we could put the negative 10 right here, but I'm just going to put it over here. Minus 110 equals 118. So I use the combining property here to get that 4x, and then just put the negative 110 over here. So now I've got to get rid of the negative 110. Again, I'm trying to solve for x here, so I'm going to add 110 to this side, add 110 to that side. These guys cross off. I'm left with 4x equals, well, this looks like 228. Get my railroad tracks in here, because now I'm going to divide by 4 on both sides here. So I think that's 57. 228 divided by 4 is 57. These cross off. We've got x equals 57. And you can pop it back in and check it if you'd like. For the purposes of this video, I'll just keep rolling. Alright, this next one over here, I'm going to combine my x's here. It looks like these are different signs, so the difference is a negative 4x. Negative 4x minus 59 equals 137. Okay, so I am going to add 59 to get rid of that. Those guys cross off. 59 plus 137. That's 196. I still got a negative 4x on this side. So my railroad track so I can stay organized. So I'm going to divide. This time, it's not just 4 that I'm dividing by, but it's got to be a negative 4. If you don't divide by a negative 4, you end up with a negative x. And then you could multiply both sides by a negative 1. But why not just divide by the negative so you can save a whole extra step on your equation here. So negative 4 divided by negative 4 will leave me a positive x equals 196 divided by 4. That should be 49. It's like positive divided by a negative, so that's going to be negative 49. And so this is the way you want to work through these. You can use other things. You could add 315 here first if you want, and I'll just show you that. Make this into a bigger equation. And so these are going to cross off. So now you're going to have 15x minus 5x equals, it's the worst looking 5 I've ever made in my entire life, possibly. I've made some doozies. It looks like 530. 530 to me. Alright, so then you could combine these terms. You could make this 10x equals 530. You can divide by the 10. You get x equals 53. I just like combining the x's up front. I think it just is a little bit more efficient. So on this one here again, I'm going to look at the x's. I've got a negative 23 and we've got a positive 17. So these are different signs. So the difference between them is 6x. This has the greater absolute value, so it's a negative 6x minus 80 equals 88. So then I'll add my 80 to get rid of that. My railroad tracks are working here. This is going to cross off. You're going to have a minus 6x equals, looks like 168. So 168, I'll have to divide that by 6. If I divide it by 6, I'm going to have a negative x. This would be negative divided by positive, so let's divide it by negative 6. That will give me negative divided by negative, which should give me positive x, which is what I want. And this is going to be 28. Let's be negative 28. All right. Hopefully I didn't make any mistakes. That's a lot of math. Good luck, folks. You come up with a number that's kind of weird, a decimal or something like that, you probably have done something wrong. I think these are pretty straightforward. They should come out as whole numbers. All right, thanks for listening.